Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Faiz Daniell and my number matric is 2023115579. So this is my video presentation for subject AGR464 crop insect management, and the insect that I choose is rhinoceros beetle. Okay, now let's move to the introduction of the rhinoceros beetle. So the rhinoceros beetle, or specifically the oil palm rhinoceros beetle, is the destructive pest that poses a significant threat to oil palm plantation. This largest beetle, measuring up to several centimeters in length, attack oil palm trees by damaging the tender tissue and weakening the structure of the palm. The adult bore into the young leaf, causing harm to the growing point. While the larva infest the trunk, feeding on the inner tissues, infestation can result in reduced growth, decreased productivity, and even death of the affected palm. Okay, now let's move to nomenclature. So the nomenclature for the rhinoceros beetle is, the first one is the order. The order for the rhinoceros beetle are Coleoptera, and the family is Scarabidae, and the species is Oryctes rhinoceros. Okay, now let's move to the description of the rhinoceros beetle. So the size for rhinoceros beetle is 38 millimeter, and the color of the rhinoceros beetle are usually black or brown. So for the overall that we can see from the rhinoceros beetle is the smallest part of the body, which is the head, and the medium sized part is called thorax, and the largest part of the body part for the rhinoceros beetle are called abdomen. Okay, now let's move to the body structure for the rhinoceros beetle. The first one is a mouth. The mouth type for the rhinoceros beetle is mandibulate. Okay, mandibulate mouth part are well suited for biting and chewing solid food. In the case of the rhinoceros beetle, the mandible, which are the prominent jaw, are used to grasp and tear plant material such as leaf, fruit, and woods, which form a significant part of their diet. The mandible have a sharp cutting edges that enable the beetle to break. Okay, the mandible of the rhinoceros beetle can also serve a defensive mechanism. When threatened, the beetle may use its strong mandible to bite or pinch, deterring potential predator or intruder. Okay, now let's move to the antenna. Okay, the type of antenna for the rhinoceros beetle is lamellate. So it is used to communication. So it play a crucial role in communication between individuals. They may be involved in detecting or responding to specific pheromones or other chemical signals released by conspecific, indicating territorial boundaries, mating availability, or social cues. Okay, next is the wings. The wings type for the rhinoceros beetle is elytra wing. So the function of the wing is the protection. The primary function of the elytra is to protect the hind wing and the abdomen of the beetle. The elytra are typically thick and hard, providing a shield against physical damage, predator, and environmental hazard. They have safeguard the more fragile and vital flight wing beneath, which is called a membrane wing. Okay, next is the leg. The type of leg for rhinoceros beetle is cursorial leg. It is used to grip and clinging. The leg of rhinoceros beetle have a specialized structure such as a sharp claw that help them to grip onto the surface. This gripping ability allows them to navigate vertically on the trunk, leaf, or other texture surface.
thank you.
No, thank you.
No, thank you, bro.
No, you.
No, thank you, bro.
Thank you.
No, thank you, bro.
No, seriously, you.
No, seriously, thank you, bro.